Is your Mustang GT's Apple CarPlay acting up or refusing to connect? Let's troubleshoot your sync system in under 3 minutes. Statistics show that over 70% of infotainment glitches are resolved by basic software resets rather than hardware failures. Before we start pulling hardware apart, let's look at the logical diagnostic steps for your sync module. Start by swapping your cable for an official Apple one, then clear your phone's pairing history and perform a system reset. Software conflicts are common, especially after a fresh iOS update or if your sync firmware is running an outdated version. If software tweaks fail, check the USB port for physical debris or damage, which often causes intermittent signal loss. Try the basic resets first, but if the system remains unresponsive, you might be looking at a faulty APIM module repair. Costs vary wildly, but most software fixes are free, while hardware module replacements can get quite expensive at the dealer. For advanced users, verify communication errors via an OBDI scanner before you decide to pull the console apart. Keep a basic set of trim tools and a scanner handy, as these will save you hours of frustration during the diagnostic process. Remember, never force a cable if the port feels loose, as you risk damaging the pins inside the console hub. If these steps didn't solve your connection issues, it's time to visit a professional. Thanks for watching and drive safe.